Hello YouTube fans. Today we're going to talk about the video of the Samsung Galaxy Active 2. Let's go. Two different versions here. I got the 40 and the 44. So that way we can differentiate the two sizes and which one looks cool. You can tell the 44 I have on my wrist. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox the rose gold here. Kind of show you how it differentiates between the 44. All right, here we go. Look at this thing. It's a sharp looking watch. It looks good. The sport band that it comes with is almost similar to the Apple Watch. Feels the same. Looks good. Check that out. All right. Put that here. Doesn't look like there's anything else. Lift this. Okay, here we go. And that's it. That's all we got. So it's just the magnetic charge cable. And you're on your own for the wall plug. All right. So it's just magnets on the watch. Plug it into a USB wall plug and you're good to go. You're in business. Now let's take off my watch. You guys can see a comparison in size side by side. All right, so you can see the black one is the 44 and then the pink is the 40. All right.
Again, here's another look of the two watches. Watch on my left is the 44, the watch on my right is the 40. Type it in the comment below. Which one do you like better? The black, the rose gold, the 44, or the 40? Now with further ado, let's go ahead and get down to the features of the watch. With specs like 1.15 GHz dual-core processor and 1.5 gigs of RAM, you'll be more than satisfied to tackle all your activity with ease. The device does come with 4 gigs of internal memory, so you can now store your music without having to carry any additional hardware as you jog. Let's talk about reliability. The Active 2 has a battery life that would last you a couple of days on the 44 with normal use. Now, you could get up to 4 days on power save in case you do forget to charge it. To charge the device, just place it on the magnetic wireless charger that it comes with in the box to bring it back to full. Maintenance on this watch is fairly easy. The watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, so after a workout session and you're sweating heavily, go ahead and give it a rinse and dry and you're good to go. The Active 2 does come with 7 built-in automated exercise presets at your convenience. So if you were running on the elliptical, all you have to do is hit workout and scroll down to the elliptical trainer, then hit start. Wait for the countdown and away you go. Now, for peace of mind, it can also track your heart rate accurately with 8 photodiodes on the bottom of the watch. Now, if your primary concern is your heart rate, health monitoring will send you an alert when your heart rate goes above or below normal levels. How freaking cool is that? Not only does the Active 2 perform well, it also has the looks to boot. It has many customizable watch faces and watch bands to match. You'll be moving on your day looking fly.
Okay, so you're watching this video because you don't know whether or not these watches are for you. All right. Now, for $400, it might be a little bit expensive for the price point, but if you want to use it just to track your fitness mainly, this is definitely the way to go. It's got enough power to do exactly just that and then some. It's got apps that you can download to make your lifestyle much easier. It's got enough memory in here to store some music in it. It's more than enough. Did I mention the Samsung Pay? Very convenient. Register your credit card in here and you can tap along with all of your purchases. Now, this is an immediate, easy complement to your Samsung phone if you own one. Now, if you just love watches, and let's say you own an iPhone and you want to get one of these, you can still use it, but you are limited to some of the functionality. Otherwise, amazing watch, build quality is amazing, a perfect addition to your watches. All right, now if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. That way I can support you with other tech goods. Or if you have any suggestions, if there's any kind of tech that you want me to unbox and review, let me know. Hit me up in the comment down below. Thank you for watching Beltronics, where we make tech simple.